maximum I allowed to go shoot my video. जब देखो फर्क नहीं पड़ता तूने मेरे को रोक के क्यों रखा है? Good afternoon, passengers. This is your captain speaking. Let me correct that. This is your Bimar captain speaking. Today's video is going to be a short and a sweet and a quick video. Now, I took delivery of Dora on the 29th of July. आज क्या चल रहा है? नवंबर. Dora चल चुकी है. डोरा चल चुकी है 2793.4 किलोमीटर्स. अभी ये 2700 किलोमीटर में से लास्ट के 550 किलोमीटर ये हैंडल बार का लॉन्ग टूर रिव्यू हो चुका था. फ्रॉम 2700 किलोमीटर्स दिस हैंडल बार आई हैव रिडन फॉर अराउंड 550 kilometers. So I got this handlebar around 2 weeks ago and I've been using it for now, that means 14 days. I've been using it for 14 days and I think I've done around 600 kilometers on this handlebar, from which 500 and 550 kilometers were outside the city, a proper touring judgment. The Royal Enfield stock handlebars I have never been a fan of. Even जो मेरी क्लासिक की हैंडलबार थी वो मैंने बाइक डिलीवरी के within 10 to 15 days I had got it changed, because the Royal Enfield stock handlebars they are too narrow and they're a little lean forward. Like, I like sports bikes but I don't like to ride it like a sports bike, if that makes any sense. I don't like to feel like I'm riding a sports bike. I like a more laid back, a more chill body posture when I'm riding. Constant riding like that, a lot of people, different strokes for different folks, whatever floats your boat. According to me, the original stock Himalayan handlebar was, I guess, so much. It was quite more narrow and it was a little lean forward, which resulted in a lot of pain in my right bicep, shoulder and my right neck. The pain was obviously very, very less compared to my classic, especially on long tours, on 500 kilometer plus, 1000 kilometer plus rides. On my left hand, I used to feel a little bit numbness in the old stock handlebar, but after riding the old stock handlebar for a few hundred kilometers, I realized that my old stock handlebar was bent from the left hand side. It was slightly like this. I had not dropped my bike anywhere. It was probably at the time of delivery, but yeah. So if there is a bend in your handlebar, kindly go get it checked or get it changed or get it straightened or whatever, to avoid further future pains. It has been 14 days since I got this. I've ridden it for a good, I'm not even able to talk. मेरी सांस फूल रही है. There are new motovlogs that are ready. I'm still editing them, but मेरे पास अभी ताकत नहीं है 9 घंटा एडिट करने की. तो I'm taking a 2-3 day break. In the coming week the videos will start coming. Today I had to put a video up, so I came down. I'm quite sick, so it would be really kind and really generous if you go ahead and give this video a like, and if you subscribe to this channel. If you want to keep flying Escape Airlines, the BHIMASHANKAR videos are already live. The playlist has been made. I'll share it. It'll be here or in the description. Go check it out. Auntie hi bol rahi hai. Hello auntie. Please let me focus. Okay, like I was saying, this handlebar is nice and broad. It is still a little bit lean forward, but if I want to solve that, I'll have to get कौन थूक रहा है यार? अरे यार थोड़ा धीरे थूका करो man. I'm trying to shoot. I'll have to get handlebar risers which will push the handlebar slightly more towards me so my posture can become straighter. But as you can see, I'm sitting comfortably right now and my elbows are slightly bent. Make sure you do not get a handlebar where your elbows are straight, because this is going to cause you an issue in longer rides, even in shorter, smaller rides. Make sure your elbows are a little bit more bent. Mine are not that bent because like I said, I don't like to sit completely like this. I like to sit a little bit a little bit lean back. Anyway, now, like I was saying, after riding this handlebar for 550 kilometers, I did notice a slight difference. My lower back pain, it seemed like it vanished, but I had a slight burning sensation. I had a slight burning sensation in the upper right corner of my back. It's also because of the constant wind blast, but that also has to do with this and not just the handlebar. It's not just the posture. Even though I'm a little bit bent forward, this handlebar has made a world of a difference on how I sit and how the ride feels now. It's much broader than the old handlebar. Like I said, the old handlebar used to come idhar tak, but ye काफी broad hai. Okay. Yeah, this is the Art of Motorcycles handlebar. I had gone to the Art of Motorcycles website initially when I was ordering a new handlebar, and the original Art of Motorcycles handlebar comes for around 2,700, I guess. That's what the website says, 2,700, but right now it's at a discounted price of 1,900. That's almost a 1,000 rupee discount. But when I was ordering the handlebar, the dispatch time and the delivery time was way too long, and I did not want to wait that long. मेरे को भीमाशंकर राइड के पहले handlebar चाहिए था मेरा. So I went online and checked for alternatives, and I found this handlebar. This is the Mad Over Bikes Himalayan BS6 touring handlebar, and in all honesty, it is the exact same handlebar as the Art of Motorcycles handlebar. It is the exact same. When I compared the two handlebars in pictures and videos, first of all, I did not find a lot of videos about the Mad Over Bikes handlebar. I don't know if people know about this handlebar or why they don't use it. The handlebar is exactly the same. It's obviously just a branding that's different, but there is also a world of a difference in the price. Art of Motorcycles handlebar on the website right now is for 2,700, with discount it's for 1,900. But this handlebar without the discount, I paid 1,700 for it, 1,680 something rupees. I ordered this off Amazon, and you can get it at your local motorcycle accessory dealer also, I'm guessing, because मेरे यहाँ पे जहाँ पे मैं जाता हूँ मेरे spare parts लेने के लिए, वहाँ पे भी था उनके पास, but थोड़ा सा slightly expensive था, तो मैंने online से मंगाया. This is the Mad Over Bikes handlebar, and I have not taken it off-road yet, but भीमाशंकर में छोटा मोटा ट्रेल राइडिंग तो किया था मैंने farmlands में. I found it to be really good. If you want, okay, I would like to show you that when I'm saddling on this, I don't have to bend so much as I used to bend in the stock handlebar. Let me, yeah, my body is extremely straight, and the only bend that I have in my body right now is from the knees. I do not have any other area. I do not have any other bend in my body right now. My elbows are straight, my back is straight, my knees are bent. This handlebar is, to be honest, the handlebar exceeds my expectations. Extremely stable even at high speeds. There are hardly any vibrations that I can feel or see. In fact, great for tight turns. Another thing is that in the stock handlebar, if you leave your hands and you ride, your bike will start pulling us slightly towards the right hand side or towards the left hand side. With this handlebar, that issue of mine is solved. So it probably was not my wheel alignment, it was my handlebar that was bent. Yeah, so it was not my wheel alignment, it was my handlebar that was bent. Anyway, if you like this handlebar, let me know in the comments below and I'll drop a link, because this is not a sponsored video. I follow me on Instagram at _Captain Escape. Here it is. And yeah, Thank you for flying Escape Airlines. This was a short domestic flight. I'll see you on my next flight. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit like, share, comment, subscribe, and yeah, thank you.